Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, as you are aware, Capgemini announced 45,000 hiring, Infosys announced 20,000 hiring, TCS will be hiring as usual. Only the layoff was for mid and senior level, okay? Otherwise, there is no other changes. Cognizant is going to hire. So if you are from 2025 and 2026 batch, then there are many companies which is going to hire. So we will see a expected timeline about all the companies. Not only this video is going to be very important, where I will be telling you how to prepare, okay? So what will be the syllabus, each and everything for your Capgemini, Cognizant, for Infosys. So we will be seeing in detail. So if you are 2025 batch, 2026 batch graduate, then this video is going to be very important. Friends, one thing, when you apply for multiple jobs, right, many of the students says that, sir, my resume is not getting selected. So what kind of project I should do? So there are a lot of queries which was coming from a student, and also the knowledge of AI prompt is very much required. You know, TCS is going to lay off 12,000 employee because they never tried to update themselves. TCS clearly said this people, this senior and mid-level employees cannot be deployed anywhere. So that is the reason they're going to do layoff. Okay. Now, friends, so what we have done, so we have classes on daily basis, right? So if you want to prepare for any company, so like, you know, Monday mock interview with Pratik sir, Tuesday verbal ability, Wednesday aptitude class, Thursday coding class, Friday aptitude class, Saturday coding class with other sir Python classes, Sunday reasoning. So this is how we are giving this results. Okay. And one more thing, friends. So as I said, this AI and all those things has become very important now. So that is the reason we have, come up with a AI tools workshop just for 150 rupees. Okay. And here I will tell you, friends, what all you are going to learn. So create ATS friendly resume. We will tell you how you can only create ATS friendly resumes, tailor CV for job roles, write LinkedIn bios, because LinkedIn profile is very important. Many of the student resume now, if you click, it will not even go to the LinkedIn profile, and if you go to the LinkedIn, nothing will be there. It's kind of waste only. Write compelling SOPs, draft HR email professionally, how you can reach to any recruiter, mock interviews and feedback, prepare for HR and tech rounds, explore career learning paths, web dev, ML, etc. And project reports and documentation, create clean PPTs fast, design personal branding slides, highlight projects visually, pitch decks in minutes, create cost-free website portfolios. And friends, for all this, AI is going to help you a lot. We are going to teach you a lot of tools, okay, and which will help you to do all those things. So basically, घंटों का काम आप मिनट में करोगे, घंटों का काम आप मिनट में करोगे. And the batch is going to start from 6th of August 2025. Limited slots are there because if the students are more, we will not be able to take them. Okay, so many students, we cannot teach them. So get the course today itself. The link is in description. Anyway, let us come back. So friends, this news you have already seen. So Capgemini to hire 45,000 and Infosys to hire 20,000 employee, when TCS is going to lay off mid and senior level. Okay, for freshers there is no impact. Now, so one by one we will see. So friends, see, TCS is the company who hires in bulk. There is no question about it. Their onboarding will be delayed. Okay, so there is no doubt. So for 2024 batch, we saw the onboarding took place from 2 months till 10 months. Okay, so even for some people it took around 8 to 10 months. For some people the onboarding started in 2 months itself. Okay, but anyway, so see, friends, as a student, what is your role? You apply for all the examination. Okay, so whichever apply link we share with you, you please do apply. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to like the video. So your job is to apply for the job which we post it. Okay, the genuine jobs. Don't pay any money for any jobs, backdoor jobs. Please don't spend in your single rupees also. So TCS is there, Capgemini is there, Cognizant is there. So TCS hiring will be somewhere in the October, November. Okay, so basically after September, October, November, this your hirings will be mostly there. So mostly in October only, but I am talking about November as well. So in TCS basically hires for 3 roles, okay? Ninja, Digital and Prime. See, 2025 will have lot of opportunity. 2026, 2025 will be having less opportunity. 2024 will be having more less opportunity. So this is around 3.36 LPA. Digital, there will be 7 LPA, okay? And Prime, there will be 9 LPA. Again, it is for BTech. If you go for ME, MTech, the salary package will be little different. So here aptitude will be there, logical reasoning will be there, verbal ability will be there. Foundation section, 25 minutes, 20 question, 25 minutes, 20 question, 25 minutes, 25 question. This question will not be, as easy as you get in Infosys or other examination. This will have a good level. And see, any exam, no, you have to think this is the only opportunity which you will be having it. So don't take anything lightly. So on campus and off campus, both you will be able to give 2026 batch only. Lower, I mean less than 2026, like 2025, 2024, all these batches will not be eligible for TCS free hiring now. Then advanced section will be there. So advanced section will decide you will be getting digital or prime role. Okay, digital or prime role. So 7 LPA, 9 LPA. So how many codes you do in the exam out of 2 codes, okay, that will decide you will be eligible for digital or prime interview, and after interview what role you get. Okay, so I will tell you like what all topics will be there inside. But in 2025 we saw there were many questions which came directly from our videos itself. Like some of these questions are repeated again. Sir, most questions you are teaching are repeating, sir. Your concept, your video helped me a lot. Today morning shift paper, most of the questions is repeated from your 25th of March paper solution. You were superb, sir. Thank you, sir. Almost all questions pattern you taught are today's paper. So friends, see, always know experience matter. I am teaching from last 12 years. Okay. And when the exams happens, we understand the pattern and the type of questions. Only one sitting of the exam is required for us to understand that what kind of pattern of the questions will be asked. Sir, thank you so much. I have attended March 26 TCS slot just now. The questions you taught yesterday were asked with the just the change of numbers. Okay, so same question, just by changing the number the questions were asked. And see, that is the reason you see the result does not come just by speaking, okay, just by putting the hiring videos. Result comes when you teach. Result comes when you understand what exactly a student is to see. There are 2 types of student. One who already knows things and that comes to your courses. Okay, sir, I want to join your course and I want to crack the exam. Okay, the one who does not know anything, he also or she also wants to crack TCS. So to that particular student we put lot of effort and then we bring the results. Okay, so we have also seen people see this is a great student, got from Ninja, he got digital, right? So selected in TCS digital off campus batch 2025, selected in TCS digital batch 2025 off campus 7 LPA. So thanks Sriram, Lokesh and Mridul Gupta, right? Okay, not only this, even if you'll see our previous results, so this is from the batch of 2025 2024 in prime. See, these all these prime candidates, digital candidates. Okay, so a lot of results we have given, and the results, see, results we give only when we put effort more than you. If you go and see our content, right, see, even now as part of Achiever batch, so you will be getting this AI workshop, right? So AI tool workshop, and that will be in this price only. So for Achiever batch we will not be charging any extra money for his AI tools. Okay, TCS NQT crash course, you just go and see the content once. So introduction, okay, TCS NQT 2024 asked questions. Now we have also started putting TCS NQT, I mean we have started taking that question in the live classes. 2025 asked questions, recorded videos, quant reasoning, verbal coding. So you see 633 videos are there, which is more than sufficient for your preparation. Okay, and then I think it's going out, so just a minute. Okay, no, it's fine only. Okay, so here then practice set. So we have given you the practice set. Mock test series, 17 mock test series are there. Actual question, actual type of question which comes in your examination, and then live classes recording old batches, and here you see the live classes which is happening on daily basis, live classes recording new batches, right? So when you give so many things, and again, so if you go to the practice set, right, So you just go to the practice. Fully solved TCS previous year question, TCS aptitude and reasoning practice questions. Okay, videos in the form, practice questions and videos, verbal ability, TCS previous year question, aptitude and reasoning, practice questions from important topics, reasoning. Okay, practice questions from important topic, aptitude. So when the content will be well designed and when you know what a student needs, then definitely the results will come. Okay, so a cheaper batch contains for all the examination like TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant. See inside that if you'll go, right, so you see the content. So there will be company specific videos will be there, company specific courses will be there, right? So in that you just go for like Cognizant. I will just show you. So you Cognizant crash course you go. Okay, so here a recorded Cognizant online pattern. So even this SQL videos technical assessment you go. So you will be having this basic SQL, okay, cloud fundamentals, networking. See all those things you won't get anywhere. Okay, HTML and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the complete thing we are giving it to you. That is the reason the results in coming in different fields. Understood, right? Same thing if you'll go for Capgemini. So and not only this, even Cognizant previous year questions, 26 videos. So a lot of content will be there. So Achiever batch is our master course. Anyway, so now let us go back and see. Chalo bhai, see if you think I'm doing the promotion, you can quit. Okay, see if you don't know where to put effort, then what will happen, you will get stuck somewhere, and once you don't get the result, you will be only regretting, right? See today I am damn sure, so these are the people who will never regret that why they landed to online study for you, correct? Okay, anyway, so TCS you are aware, Infosys. So Infosys, what will happen? So here you see, so Infosys will be hiring for 3 different role again. Oh, I'm sorry. So we will be having system engineer. So this is for the system engineer. Okay, system engineer, and then there will be DSC and SP role, right? So Infosys will be hiring for these 3 role. For DSC and SP role, there will be 3 coding question that is sorted. There is nothing much. For system engineer role, there will be some 7 sections. Section A, reasoning ability test, 15 question and 15 marks. For the section 2, technical ability test, 10 questions and 10 marks. Section 3, verbal ability test, 20 question, 20 marks. Section 4, pseudo code, 5 question, 10 marks. Section 5, numerical puzzle test, 4 question, 10 marks. Section 6, English grammar test, 5 questions, 10 marks. And section 7, English writing test, 1 question, and here the marks will be based on the number of characters or something. Okay, so this is the Infosys pattern. Total time will be 120 minutes. This also we have already covered inside this Achiever batch if you'll go, right? So inside this Achiever batch, this Infosys crash course will be also there. See, everywhere we have tried to see, the most of the companies know we have provided the information. Okay, Cognizant. So Cognizant, definitely this will be keep repeating. These dates and all those things are the older dates. Okay, now so this TCS, I told you the timelines, right? October, November. Now Infosys, if you'll see, Infosys, they have told that they will be hiring around 20,000 candidates, and their hiring timelines, if you'll ask, so just a second. Okay, so their hiring timelines, if you'll ask, so it will be somewhere in the December or January. Okay, so somewhere in the December and January they hire. Okay, fine. Now, so see, these dates and this month are not fixed. Company has nowhere told that these are the hirings which we are going to, these are the months, but this is expected month based on the previous year. Now, if we talk about Cognizant, right? So Cognizant hiring for 2025 batch, it is still going on also, so, you know, and now 2025 batch, it will be difficult for Cognizant to hire. But if we'll talk about 2026 batch, then here you could see, so last year their plan was 30th of August to 7th of September. So somewhere this year also it will repeat. So August to September, this Cognizant hiring for 2026 batch will be there. So basically I wanted to tell you, you do not have much time. Okay, you have a limited time. In that limited time only you have to prepare. So don't waste your time. At least join the course now and go through the videos. Okay, Python classes also we have started now. So registration, screening, exam was 11th 12th September. This was in 2024. Okay, and for 2026 batch it will be happening in August September 2025. And round 1 communication, round 2 aptitude assessment, technical assessment, round 3 so in-person interview for Gen C, Gen C Next and Gen C Pro, right? Okay, if we'll talk about their salaries, so for Gen C 4 LPA they will pay, for Gen C Pro 5.4 LPA, for Gen C Next it will be 6.7 LPA. Okay, and hiring will start for 2026 batch from August 2025. Now in Cognizant, I will just give you a brief information because many of you will not be aware, and also these details are not even there properly on the internet. So aptitude will be there. Okay, so Cognizant, we will be having, see, the first round will be your communication round, okay, communication round, and then the second round will be your aptitude round. So in this aptitude round, you will be having 30 aptitude questions, 30 questions for 30 minutes. Okay, and in that only, so these were the topics from where more number of questions was asked in the 2024. And after aptitude exam, you will be having this game based aptitude. Okay, so game based similar kind of this will be for Capgemini and this will be for Cognizant, both it will be same only. Okay, so grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. So around 4 sections for 24 question, and time per questions around 6 minutes, adaptive in nature. That means the question level will be keep increasing as you will be going ahead. See, it's not only that, even in the courses you will be getting the previous year questions. So whatever questions we could able to collect, so all those questions you will be able to get inside the course, right? Okay, then let's go back. And then in Cognizant, you will be having technical assessment. So basically there will be 3 sections will be there. Okay, 3 cluster will be there, and out of this 3 cluster you'll have to select 2 clusters, right? Okay, so technical cluster 1, so you will be having 120 minute and 3 sections, Java, SQL, and then you will be having web UI. And then cluster 2, you will be having programming in Python, so this SQL and this cloud fundamentals. And then in the cluster 3, you will be having programming languages CISA, and here database and web UI will be there. Okay, if we'll talk about Capgemini, so Capgemini again hires for 3 different roles. So analyst, senior analyst, okay, and one more is there. I am not completely able to recall that, but Capgemini has said that भैया मैं hire करूंगा 45,000, 45,000. So definitely that hiring will be there. Pseudocode, in this pseudocode verbal ability, game based and behavioral round. So there are many videos are there on the YouTube channel where complete Capgemini how it hires. So and what all rounds will be there for different profiles, that has been discussed. 40 question from pseudocode and plus IT fundamentals, like what is the meaning of IP. Okay, this particular 10.24.30.60 comes in which class A, class B, class C, class D. Verbal ability 30 question 30 minutes. Sometimes they ask essay also. Game based aptitude 24 question 24 minutes, and behavior around 5 sections and 9 minutes. So here behavioral round will be also there. So this kind of questions will be there. Okay, again, see friend, the call will be always yours. So I can just tell you, okay, so what is required, what is there, and what is the roadmap. Okay, what is the expected hiring date. Capgemini also if we'll talk about, so earlier in the September the exam had happened, so this year also the exams will be happening in the September. So basically your exams will start from, let's say, September, October, November. So these are the 3 months which will be very important for you, where most of the companies will be on hiring mode. Thank you, take care, all the very best. Okay, and I wish all of you get a job as soon as possible. Thank you. And you saw the plan, right? Plan of the classes. So that's how the classes plan is there, and the classes will be going like that. The link is in description. Enroll right now so that tomorrow you don't regret.